Opening SolidWorks. When you launch SolidWorks, the software opens to the main workspace. The interface is designed to provide quick access to design tools while keeping your model organized. Every area of the screen has a specific purpose. Let's review each section one by one. Menu bar. At the top of the screen, you will find the menu bar. The menu bar contains commands such as File, Edit, View, Insert, Tools, Window, Help. These menus provide access to nearly every command available in SolidWorks. For example, under the File menu, you can create a new file, open an existing project, save your work, and export designs. Command Manager. Directly below the menu bar is the Command Manager. The Command Manager organizes tools into tabs. Common tabs include Features, Sketch, Evaluate, Sheet Metal, Surface, Weldments. When you select a tab, the related tools become available. For example, the Sketch tab contains sketching tools like line, circle, rectangle, and arc. This area is where you will spend most of your time while designing. Feature Manager Design Tree. On the left side of the screen is the Feature Manager Design Tree. This panel displays sketches, features, planes, origin, bodies. Think of it as the history of your model. Every operation you perform is recorded here. You can edit, suppress, rename, or reorder features directly from this tree. Maintaining an organized feature tree makes complex models easier to manage. Graphics area. The largest section of the interface is the graphics area. This is where your model is created and displayed. You can sketch geometry, build 3D features, rotate models, zoom in and out, inspect designs. The graphics area serves as your primary workspace. Heads-up View toolbar. At the top of the graphics area is the Heads-up View toolbar. This toolbar provides quick access to viewing controls. Common commands include Zoom to fit, View orientation, Display style, Section view, Hide and show items. These tools help you inspect and visualize your model efficiently. Task pane. On the right side of the screen is the task pane. The task pane contains useful resources such as Design Library, File Explorer, Appearances, Materials, SolidWorks Resources. This area allows quick access to reusable design content and project files. Status bar. At the bottom of the screen is the status bar. The status bar displays current document information, sketch status, unit system, selection information. It provides useful feedback while you work. Customizing the interface. One of the strengths of SolidWorks is customization. You can add toolbars, rearrange tabs, create shortcuts, customize mouse gestures. This helps create a workflow that matches your design needs. Summary. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Menu bar for general commands. Command Manager for design tools. Feature Manager Design Tree for model history. Graphics area for creating designs. Heads-up View toolbar for viewing controls. Task pane for resources and libraries. Status bar for feedback and information. Understanding these areas will help you navigate SolidWorks with confidence. Thank you for watching. In the next lesson, we will learn how to create our first sketch in SolidWorks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CAD tutorials.